5:48 in the morning and I'm heading out on the bike. The things I do for this channel. So where we're off to on this cold Sunday morning at 6 o'clock. We're actually going to go out to Lochindorb Castle near Granton on Spey. Regular viewers of the channel will know that recently I did a video about Culloden Battlefield and the Clever Cairns. Got quite a good bit of feedback about that video, and shortly after it I had some friends over from America who were doing a bit of a tour of the Highlands and loved the history and stuff, so they went to a few castles, and to be honest they got a bit ripped off at some castles. Historic Scotland has started charging a lot of money for visiting what effectively are ruins or family homes now, so yes you can get in but you can't see much because people stay there. So I thought I would do a mini series about the castles of the Highlands and Grampian region that are free to use. In Scottish I love free stuff. So the first one I selected was Lochindorb Castle, and to be honest what I had been intent on doing was getting up nice and early and trying to get a bit of the sunrise coming in. But I think, to be honest, I'm a wee bit tardy today, people, and maybe a wee bit late for the sunrise. But we're going to go out, we're going to try and get some footage of the castle, and I'll do a bit of a chat around the castle, its most famous inhabitant, that sort of thing. Again, very much like Culloden, it's going to be a very brief history. If you want to find out more you can do your own research, and I'm not a historian by any means. It's just stuff that I've picked up over the years. Lochindorb Castle sits on an island which is partly man-made, not far from Granton on Spey. Over the years it had many uses. Obviously used as a castle, as a garrison. Yeah, bugger, that was close. There's a Bambi, don't know if anybody saw that there. So the most famous inhabitant of Lochindorb Castle is a gentleman called Alexander Stewart, son of Robert II, better known as the Wolf of Badenoch. This is Lochindorb Castle, or the approach to it, should I say. here that we can use and hopefully get a decent wee bit of footage whilst I tell you a wee bit about Lochindorb Castle, its most famous inhabitants, and a wee bit of history. Lochindorb actually translates from the Gaelic, or the Gaelic, as Loch of Trouble. So 14th century, the Wolf of Badenoch was given the castle by his father Robert II. So Alexander Stewart was born around about 1340, 43ish. Lived about 60 odd years, during which time he was not a very pleasant gentleman. He basically, if somebody disagreed with him, he'd imprison them and murder them. That seemed to be the way back then. The end of his reign, Wolf of Badenoch was excommunicated by the Bishop of Murray, after which a monk was actually sent to Lochindorb Castle, and he never returned from there. And that was because Lochindorb had what was known as a bottle pit. So many castles had dungeons, but because Lochindorb was built on the island, it also had about 3 foot of water at the bottom of the dungeon, which prisoners also had to stand in. He then took an army of his men to Forres and then to Elgin, where he destroyed Pluscarden Abbey, and then attacked Elgin and destroyed Elgin Cathedral. Elgin Cathedral is another place I might visit at another stage, because in its time it was the 2nd largest cathedral in Scotland. So yes, that was Lochindorb Castle, a wee history behind it. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed the drone footage. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Drop us a comment below if you'd like to know any more. Maybe you've got some points that you know about the castle I didn't know. Always interested to hear from you. Until next time, many thanks. Bye bye.